What do you mean I'm out of good ideas? I've got plenty of good ideas. None of them are bad. What are you on about? I'm full of good ideas. Hello, and welcome to Zach Makes a Bed, the YouTube video. Well, today I'm making this video. There's a simple reason. Someone I know came up with the excuse for not changing their bed sheets because they're too short. That doesn't make any sense. You should be able to change your bed sheets no matter what height you are. Anyway, because apparently it's really complicated to do, I'm going to show you how to do it nice and easy. So, why were you in my closet? First, what you're going to want to do is take your old bed sheets off the bed. Once you take off your fitted sheet, you'll want to take off your duvet cover. Make sure that you put all of your old sheets into a nice neat pile. Keep your duvet and your pillows separate. Don't forget your pillow covers. Both of them. The first part you'll want to put on your bed is the new clean fitted sheet. Make sure to grab that from your pillowcase of fitted sheets. Now, in order to make this easier, you'll want to pull the bed away from any walls so you can get your hands down the sides. The easiest way for me to move my bed out is to get on it and push with my feet against the wall. It's like yoga all over again. Ain't that sweet? I'm sure there's a knack to this bit, but I don't know it. So you just gotta do trial and error. Find the long sheet side if you can, and fit it. That wasn't that difficult. It's on, just about. Tight fit, but it is a fitted sheet. The next thing you'll want to grab from your pillowcase of fitted sheets is your duvet cover, which I believe is this one. So mine has come inside-it out. Yes. So if yours isn't inside out, I'll give you some time now to do that. That should be time enough. If it's not, pause the video. So once you've got your duvet cover inside out, what you want to do is get your duvet, or dovet as my little brother calls it, and make sure it's the right orientation. So put it on your bed, and then with your inside out duvet cover, grab the inside far corner. But whenever it's the inside far corner, it's really the outside far corner because it's inside out, but you know what I mean. Grab the two far corners from the inside while it's inside out, and then grab the two corners of your duvet. Quite easy. Like this, and like this. Hold on, I should be on the... I'm gonna... Oh, there's a bird! So you want to grab the corners of your... duvet, like so. And then, I don't see how height affects this at all, so, you know, everyone can do this. You just grab it, you shake. Make sure you hold on to the corners though, don't let go, because if you let go, how would you shake it? But, you know what I mean. And then, once it's like halfway done, make sure that you leave those in such a way that it's like stays like that. Then you go to your other side and you tuck the corners of the duvet into the corners of the duvet cover, just like so. And then they're in there, and then you can leave it. Go to the other side and grab the same corners as before and shake one more time. Like so. And then you go back button up the end of the bedsheet. And then once you've buttoned it up, lay it flat. Make sure that you remember to push your bed back against the wall. And now there's just one last thing that you need to get from your pillowcase of fitted sheets. And that is, your other pillowcase. Grab your 2 pillows and you just put the pillows in the pillowcases. I assumed you got that bit. There you have it. You made your bed without the help of anyone else and without complaining about your height, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Anyway, thank you for watching. Leave a thumbs up and a subscribe and a comment if you want. Maybe I did it wrong. You could tell me if you want. Right, have fun. Bye.